Yesterday, we went over how to create YouTube channel art, and that's what this top banner is. This top banner is the YouTube channel art. So if I click here, I'm going to get the YouTube channel art as it is, and so I can actually change it here. That's what it looks like on a TV. That's what it looks like on a computer. We can go in and remove it. I'm not going to do that right now, but that's kind of what we're looking for. Right here, we have what's called a logo, a profile picture. This is kind of what people see when your channel button pops up. And once again, it takes us back to the branding page, and you can actually change your logo here. So today we're going to look at making a YouTube logo profile. Now, we won't make it a circle, they will. We're actually going to go over here to Adobe Spark, and we're going to create an icon, or excuse me, a logo, by hitting the plus sign, custom size graphic. Okay, that's going to take us to here. And we've got some choices here. Yesterday we did the social profile, and we worked on the YouTube channel art, which is our banner. But today we're going to hit popular. So you choose custom, and then you do popular, and we're going to do a square, which is 1:1. When we click on that and we hit next, it's going to take us to our board where we can do our work. Now, this is a small logo in relation to the size of the whole page. We want to make sure everything is visible. Do we want to use tiny fonts? No, we want to use big fonts. We want to make sure it stands out. So you want to use contrasting colors, perhaps maybe some complementary colors that stand out too. You can just choose a color, and there's a bunch of decorative colors here you can choose from. Next, we're going to hit our text. I'm going to keep this simple. Now, you could go in here and create with a template if you wanted to. Remember, stay away from small fonts. You want large, bold fonts when doing a logo. So if I like this logo, I can pick that. It's going to pop it on my screen, and I can resize it. I like it because it's a shape. People like shapes. So now I'm going to go in here and double click, and I'm going to do my text. And so I need a name for my channel. I have my channel idea, what I'm going to do. And so right here's where I would put any initials, any symbols. And I'm just going to use one letter. Okay. And I'm going to make it bigger. Try to center it up as best I can. That's centered there, but it's not really centered on top to bottom, but we can deal with that. I'm going to put a shadow on it. You can even put an outline on it too if you want. Make it bold. Could you use your initials? Could you use the initials for your channel? If you have a name for yourself on your YouTube channel, you want to go by something else, that's what I would use in your logo, okay? You can, if you're using your Chromebook and you have a picture of yourself on the Chromebook, upload a picture with photos. Go to Photos, Upload Photo, and then, if I wanted to, I could upload any one of these photos here. All right. After I'm done, I want to put YouTube. Sorry, can't type. YouTube logo. You're just going to keep it in your profile. So after you do that, you click there. Now if I go back to my SP here, Spark, you'll notice all the projects get automatically saved down here. Later on, we're going to learn how to download these and then upload them to our YouTube channel that we create.